name of General Sibiya is not a far-fetched name in this trial. Remember, the state even also considered that in 2019, when Mr. Sibiya, this one, was arrested, there was Lishabane, there was General Sibiya, and there was Zungu. I think there was also a Makubo there. I specifically asked, who is this Sibiya that you're talking about? He said General Sibiya. So he's basically involved in this case. His name is not far-fetched. It's his name, the fact that his name is mentioned in this case, that was actually what was considered to by the state itself. Yes, Mr.
So that was Advocate Mnisi there, showing that General Sibiya cannot be avoided in this Senzo Meyiwa trial because he was there, during the investigations of the Senzo Meyiwa case alongside other police officers. Not only that, he was also the first person to arrive at the Khumalo house, and even said there was no hate, there were lots of people, etc. So he cannot be avoided. Well, this confrontation, it occurred because Judge Rata had refused to hear about General Sibiya at all, and said, I don't want to hear about General Sibiya. But he was one of the first people at the Khumalo house. So this is where Advocate Mnisi is coming in, to say this guy cannot be avoided. So there's something really surprising, about Shadrack Sibiya, and it is that this guy, Shadrack Sibiya, he's found everywhere, where there are controversies, in terms of crime. This guy is somehow linked this way or that way. He was always there. You really wonder, what really happens with this guy. There is even the case of those 3 police officers at the river there with that car that was found at the river. His name, it was being mentioned here and there. It's like it's smoke. There's no fire at the moment, but it was just smoke, coming out. Shadrack Sibiya's name being there. But here in the Senzo Meyiwa trial, it's not like there is smoke. There is concrete evidence, that he was there himself. So it doesn't make sense for Judge Rata to reject to hear about General Sibiya. If anything at all, General Sibiya should actually even be called as a witness to come to the Senzo Meyiwa trial, to testify and explain what really happened, because he's the first person to observe this. He has to come as a witness, and tell the story. So this thing of Judge Rata not wanting to hear about General Sibiya is not making sense. General Sibiya cannot be avoided. I think that's the verdict that I can put. So despite everything, I foresee one thing, Judge Rata in Paloi refusing, for General Sibiya to come and testify. I think it's something that I feel like Judge Rata can refuse, can reject. But anyway, the defense will have to push for that very, very hard. I'll catch you guys on the next one.